Welcome to the last part of section 5, which is where we're going to be talking about the settings within Elementor itself. So I'm just going to go back a little bit. So when you go into Elementor, you've got the Elements section, which has all the widgets, and you've got the Global section, which is where you can save widgets as a global feature. We won't be using that, but just be aware that that is there. But for the most part, you'll be using the Elements section. Now, there are certain things that you need to change within the settings itself, and I'm just going to go over the settings. So we will go into responsive mode later. I will show you that and show you the navigator and the history, but we're going to go into settings for now. Now, in settings, you've got the general settings, you've got the page style settings, and you've got the advanced settings. So in here, one of the important things is, apart from adding a featured image, which we won't be doing, and apart from you can allow comments and hide the title, we're going to click on page layout. Now, the reason this is important is because it will affect the way the page appears. So if we click on theme and we click on publish, we can still see it's the same. But what you want to be doing is you want to have Elementor canvas, so that way you've just got the Elementor, and you'll see that the top of the page will disappear and the bottom of the page will disappear. The reason that we're doing it this way is so that we can actually completely control what appears on this page, right? So the important thing is you go into settings, you select Elementor canvas, and then you click, and then you would click publish. It's just easier to do it this way, because then what we can do is we can create the heading, save it as a template, and then just reuse it. And you can do the same thing with a footer and just reuse it across all the pages. So important things to keep aware of is you've got the settings feature, which allows you to change your page layout, which is very, very important. So that was the end of section 5, which was a discussion of widgets and sections. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to start creating the page. So we're going to create the home page first. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to be moving on to section 6 now.